the live stream that turned a boutique into a $1 million brand. The story of the Pink Lily Boutique. Can going live on social media change your business forever? In 2014, Tori Gerbig started the Pink Lily Boutique as a small online store, selling trendy clothes from her home in Kentucky. Sales were steady, but she dreamed of bigger success. One day, Tori decided to take a chance and host a Facebook Live session showcasing her products in real time. She engaged directly with her audience, answered questions, and gave styling tips. The response was explosive. Viewers loved the personal touch, and sales surged immediately. Tori's authentic approach and interactive videos quickly became a staple of her brand strategy. Today, the Pink Lily Boutique is a multi-million-dollar business, shipping thousands of orders weekly and boasting millions of loyal followers, all because Tori connected with her audience in a genuine way. This incredible story shows that stepping out of your comfort zone and engaging directly with your audience can completely transform your business. Don't be afraid to go live, be real, and show the passion behind your brand. Follow us for more inspiring business stories that encourage you to take bold actions.